What you are about to hear is uncomfortable, powerful, and often misunderstood. Dark seduction is not about tricks or lines. It is about understanding human desire, fear, and attention at a level most never reach. Love is warm and safe. Obsession is intense and consuming. One soothes the nervous system, the other hijacks it. If you want to be unforgettable, you must understand why the mind clings to what it cannot fully possess or predict. Psychology governs attraction more than looks, money, or status. Those are signals. Psychology is the switch. When you learn how attention, emotion, and uncertainty interact, you stop chasing approval and start shaping perception itself. The principle of the void begins with absence. People desire what completes them, not what overwhelms them. You do not give everything, you leave space. That space becomes filled with thoughts of you, unanswered questions, and imagined meaning. When you become the missing piece, they project onto you. Their hopes, unmet needs, and fantasies pour into the void you create. You are no longer just a person. You are a solution their mind keeps returning to. Intermittent reinforcement is the same mechanism that makes gambling addictive. Rewards given unpredictably create stronger attachment than constant rewards. Consistency feels safe. Inconsistency, when controlled, feels exciting and consuming. When affection, attention, or validation arrives unexpectedly, the brain releases dopamine more intensely. The mind begins to chase the pattern, not you, but the feeling you trigger. This is how emotional habits are formed. Push and pull is not cruelty. It is contrast, warmth followed by distance, engagement followed by restraint. The nervous system stays alert, trying to recalibrate. You become the variable they cannot solve. Predictability kills desire, mystery sustains it. When your reactions are not fully readable, the mind stays engaged. It fills silence with speculation, often amplifying your importance far beyond your actual actions. The narrative of us creates a private reality. Inside jokes, shared meanings, and unique rituals separate you from the outside world. The bond feels rare, personal, and irreplaceable. When two people share a story others cannot access, it strengthens emotional exclusivity. They are not just attracted to you. They are invested in the world you seem to co-create together. Language matters. Specific phrases, recurring symbols, and shared memories act as anchors. Each one quietly pulls their attention back to you, even when you are physically absent. The mirror technique works because people fall in love with themselves first. When you reflect their values, dreams, and identity back to them, they feel deeply seen and understood. This is not imitation, it is resonance. You highlight the best parts of who they believe they are. Attraction grows because being with you feels like becoming more of themselves. Over time, your presence becomes associated with validation of identity. Losing you would feel like losing a part of themselves, not just a relationship. The power of absence is counterintuitive. Presence creates comfort, absence creates desire. Strategic silence forces the mind to fill gaps, often exaggerating emotional significance. Silence is not neglect, it is space. When you step back at the right moment, attention turns inward. They begin to replay interactions, searching for meaning and reassurance. Scarcity increases value. What is always available is taken for granted. What feels limited becomes precious. Control access to your time and energy deliberately. The paradox of detachment is simple but difficult. The less you need a specific outcome, the more attractive you become. Neediness repels, self-containment draws interest. When you are emotionally centered, you signal abundance. You are choosing, not chasing. This shifts the power dynamic without a single word being spoken. True seduction begins with self-control. If you cannot regulate your emotions, you will telegraph insecurity. Calm presence communicates strength and safety simultaneously. Mystery is maintained by restraint. You do not explain everything, you allow interpretation. The mind engages more deeply when it must participate. Authority in attraction comes from grounded certainty. You move with intention, you speak with clarity. You are not rushed by fear of loss. Frame control means defining the emotional tone. You decide when things are light, intense, or distant. Others adapt to the frame you consistently project. Timing matters more than intensity. A small gesture at the right moment outweighs grand displays at the wrong time. Precision beats excess. Pacing regulates emotional momentum. Too fast overwhelms. Too slow cools interest. Mastery lies in sensing when to advance and when to pause. Emotional spikes create memory. Calm, punctuated by intensity, leaves a deeper imprint than constant stimulation. Contrast sharpens experience. Memory anchoring links emotion to moments. Music, locations, or phrases can later trigger feelings associated with you long after the moment has passed. Contrast defines value. Strength feels stronger next to softness. Silence feels louder after connection. Use opposites deliberately. Breaking patterns resets attention. When behavior shifts unexpectedly, awareness increases. Used sparingly, this keeps interest alive without chaos. These techniques carry responsibility. Manipulation without awareness can harm others and yourself. Power reveals character. Use discernment. Ethical application requires empathy. Understand impact. Influence should never strip agency or dignity from another person. At the core, this is self-mastery. Seduction is a side effect of clarity, discipline, and emotional intelligence. Confidence grows from alignment. When actions match values, presence becomes steady. People feel it without explanation. Presence is felt, not announced. It is the calm in your voice, the stillness in your body, and the patience in your choices. When all elements align, attraction becomes effortless. You are not performing, you are simply unforgettable. Dark seduction is dangerous because it works. Awareness is protection. Use knowledge wisely. In the end, obsession is a choice. You can inspire it, but you cannot control the outcome fully. The most seductive power is knowing you will be fine either way and acting from that truth. Remember, influence amplifies who you already are. Cultivate integrity, awareness, and restraint, and attraction follows naturally. Lose those and no technique will save you. Obsession fades when mystery dies. Keep your inner life rich, your purpose active, and your direction independent. When your world does not revolve around one person, others instinctively orbit you without being asked. Desire feeds on polarity, masculine and feminine, certainty and curiosity, strength and vulnerability. When you embody contrast within yourself, interaction becomes charged without force or performance. Never confuse attention with attachment. Attention is easy to gain. Attachment is earned through emotional imprinting over time. Those who rush intensity often lose influence fastest. Restraint is seductive because it implies choice. When you could act but choose not to, your silence carries weight. It signals self-command, not hesitation. The mind respects what it cannot rush. Slow confidence unsettles insecurity. When others speed up, you slow down. Control returns to you naturally without confrontation. Emotional leadership means staying steady when others fluctuate. Your calm becomes the reference point. People attach to stability they cannot generate alone. If you must chase, you have already lost leverage. Attraction grows when interest meets boundaries. Without limits, desire collapses into familiarity. Obsession is not created by demand, but by permission. You allow space for longing. You do not fill every silence. You let anticipation do the work for you. The strongest influence is invisible. When they believe the feelings are theirs alone, attachment deepens. The ego protects what it claims ownership over. Master yourself first. When your emotions answer to you, others feel it instinctively. That is the final secret. Everything else is technique. Obsession intensifies when identity is threatened. When someone feels you could walk away unchanged, their attachment sharpens. Value is measured by what survives without them, not what collapses in their absence. Emotional gravity forms when you are centered. You do not pull, you do not push. Others move toward what feels solid, grounded, and self-sustaining. Stability is rare, and rarity attracts attention without effort. Desire weakens when reassurance is constant. Certainty ends the chase. Leave some things unresolved. Let curiosity breathe. What the mind finishes on its own feels more real than what is explained. Seduction is rhythm, connection, distance, return, like waves, not floods. Those who drown others in availability erase longing before it forms. Control the tempo, and emotion follows your lead. The ego bonds through investment. When they give time, emotion, or effort, attachment grows. Never rob someone of the chance to invest by doing everything for them. Power is calm authority, no urgency, no pressure. When you are comfortable with loss, you gain leverage. Detachment is not coldness. It is emotional independence made visible. Mystery is protected by purpose. When your life is full, answers come slowly. People sense when they are not the center of your universe, and paradoxically, they want to be. Influence collapses when you over-explain. Let action speak, let silence echo. Meaning deepens when it is discovered, not delivered. Attraction sharpens when stakes feel real. If nothing can be lost, nothing is valued. Boundaries create consequences. Consequences create respect. Respect fuels desire. The final truth is simple. Obsession follows those who master themselves first. Become disciplined, intentional, and emotionally sovereign, and others will feel the pull without knowing why.